Huh? Did you? Where?
Like, so like 1 to 4, it's like half 3. And then 4 to 9, you add 5, and it increases like every time by 2.
All right, let's look at the first one. The first one, part D. What's this little guy called right here? What do we call him? Absolute value, right, Jackson?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a past here? So where do parent graphs start? Where do parent graphs start?
On the origin.
Thank you, Jackson, at the origin. All right, so what's the number after 0? 1. So write 1. What's the absolute value of 1? 1. There you go. All right, we'll go to negative 1. What's the absolute value of negative 1?
1.
So I'm going to go left 1, up 1. All right, what number comes after 1? 2. So I'm going to go right 2. What's the absolute value of 2? I'm going to go up 2. Let's go to negative 2. What's the absolute value of negative 2? Positive 2. All right, let's do 3. What's the absolute value of 3? Positive 3. Huh? Brianna, what did you say? Not what I heard, but where am I at? Let's see. All right, what about negative 3? Negative 3. What's the absolute value of negative 3?
3.
Positive 3. So each time you're just going over, up, over, up, over, up. Does that make sense? And then what kind of picture does that make? A V. Do you see now why I was very particular yesterday and I said make sure that that does not make a V. Make sure it makes a U. Are y'all okay? All right, here we go. Last one. Part E. What do you notice about part E? What's it look like? The equation. What's funky about it? Huh? It's what's a fraction? Like where is the there you go. X is in denominator. Y'all okay with that? There's not really any points that you can put on there because they're all decimals. I mean, there are points, but they're all decimals. So you're just going to kind of draw this picture. Looks kind of funky looking, okay? You're all good with that? So you're taking the ACT Saturday, right? Or you're taking the ACT in October. So if you see this picture, automatically you should be thinking X is in the denominator. You're all okay with that? Yeah? All right, and that's called a rational function. And that's all she wrote. Y'all okay? All right, so we're going to get in our groups. The Google Classroom key should be there for you. There is one mistake that I did not realize, and I called something one-to-one, and it should be called onto. I think that was number 2 or 3. So there's one problem on the key. But if you do not have Google Classroom, do you see right there in front of the learning targets, where on the front of you, Garrett? In the front, Garrett? In the front, Garrett, where the learning targets are? In the front, where the learning targets are? Do you see the piece of paper that's hanging there in the sheet protector? That's the key if you don't have Google Classroom, okay? Do you see it, Garrett?
No.
Do you see the green folder?
Oh, yeah, I got it.
It's where the learning targets are, always are.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, so you got some partners to work with, and then let's see who we got. Jesse, did you take your perfect squares test? All right, Wendy, go ahead and log into that one, baby, and take your perfect squares test. All right, so grab your partners and study guide. Where's your study guide at? It's always in the back of your notes, right? You always get it. And let's just work on, am I expecting you to do every single one of these and turn it in tomorrow? No. I'm expecting you to work on the ones that you're having trouble. Why? Leave it out, baby. That way somebody else can use it. It's not working? Did you not, so you didn't take your test? Oh. So you didn't take your test? Yeah? Okay. Okay, that's what I just asked you. Put it back in there. I don't know. Y'all gonna say it's salty side of me in just a minute.